Hello and welcome to Bosh TV. Today's video is a good one. It's a cake that has 0 bake time. In fact, the fridge does all the work. Why? Well, it's a fridge cake. Now, if you like chocolate and you like biscuits, this recipe is for you. First things first, we're gonna melt some chocolate. Obviously go for the dark stuff and go for around about 350 grams. And you're gonna do this in a bain-marie, which is simple. It's a microwavable safe bowl over the top of some boiling water and just keep on stirring until it's melted. Then add in some golden syrup and some dairy-free butter. That will aid the creaminess and it will also aid the sweetness of the chocolate. Now, once you've got it all melted and beautiful, this is a really easy process. You're gonna get some lotus biscuits, some dried blueberries, some dried cherries, some blanched hazelnuts, some salt, and you're just gonna fold that all together. Now, it might take a little bit of elbow grease, but trust me, it'll be well worth it. Look at how delicious that looks. It's so silky and chocolatey and biscuity and fruity and just nicey, everything nicey. Now, you're gonna pop this into a square tin. Make sure that nothing goes missing because you wanna get everything that's in that bowl into that tin, and make sure that you line the tin so it's easier to take out. Now squash it down really, really firm, break some biscuits as you go, and then this, Biscoff spread. You could also use a little bit of peanut butter if you so wished, but yeah, just get that Biscoff spread in there and just sort of spread it across the top. That's gonna give a really nice caramelly, biscuity flavor. And once that's done, pop it in the fridge for about 4 hours, and this is what you're left with. Oh my goodness me. It's kind of like a big, cold brownie. But if you like chocolate and you like biscuit and you like fruit and you like caramelly flavors, this is gonna be dessert that you will go to time and time again. It's so wildly easy, it's so ridiculously tasty, and it goes perfectly with a mug of tea or a mug of coffee for that matter. Look at that. Look at those crispy little biscuits in there. Look at that nice sort of speckled top. All that lovely sort of tart but sweet fruit. You just know that this is a delicious thing. I thoroughly enjoyed making this. I thoroughly enjoy eating this, and I'm absolutely sure that you will enjoy eating it too. If you enjoyed this video, please do let us know in the comments section below. If you want to see us do more dessert recipes, again, tell us. We are here for you. As ever, it's been a wonderful pleasure cooking with you today, and we will see you again very, very soon for more delicious plant-based recipes. See you guys later on. Bye-bye!